Good morning. It's a great morning today because I got you with me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Negative.
Like, I don't know.
Who said that?
But how do I find the
said
velocity from all is identical? The volume flow rate of the water coming in is the exact same as the volume flow rate of the water.
Talk to the people, bro.
Wait, good day at school today. Lock in for your next class. It's nice to be important, but it's also important to be nice.
What's up, Ethan? Ethan, you want to be in the vlog, bro?
What vlog? Oh, what's up, guys?
So now we're going home, and we're gonna film more videos, and then we go to practice and watch Ryan whoop up on Lucas. Ain't that right?
I'm not going to practice today.
Awesome. That's sick. All right, we back home. We about to work out some homework and then get some videos up if we can. We got practice in like 40 minutes. These are fire though. Check this out. I want to mix like, clip in on a hoodie. Like, what would that look like, bro? Like, classic hoodie. I really love how this still look like coming across. I think those are fire. I love clothing. I love clip in. Like, why not just put it on together? Like, not even if other people don't want to buy it, but like I love it. You know what I'm saying? And if you love it, that's what matters. Boys, time to go to practice. Here's the situation. For the next 30 days, I want to record a YouTube video every day vlogging. The idea is that by the end of this 30-day month, I will be much better at vlogging than I was before, right? That makes sense. The more you put in, the more you get out. And these daily vlogs should go on top of my already daily shorts that I post. Banana's banana. Oh, that's gross. Look at that. Come on, bro. Now, I don't know how good these YouTube videos are gonna do. How many people are gonna watch them, how many likes they're gonna get, what the retention is. But, I don't think that matters to me. Right now, I just wanna make a video and make every video in the next 30 days a little bit better. Yeah, think about that. 30 days, 1% better. My videos 30% better would be pretty cool. Let's go. Doing homework at wrestling practice is buns. Bro. Pick him up. Some wrestling practice, and that entire practice felt like watching a finals match that you're not in and thinking, bro, I should be out there. You ever been in that position? I opened my car, right? My heavyweight is in the back seat.
You were supposed to get scared.
You feel proud?
I
feel
do.
good?
Yeah.
You feel good with that?
Hold at like 5%. Don't got any active.
What is up, boys? We are back home. Part of the goal was not just record every day and get better at recording, but also, get bigger every day. Feel me? So, day one in the books. Now we're about to. I think I'm about to edit this YouTube video, post my video I just made. Go check out the gram if you want to see that. And yeah, that'll be the day. All right, boys. See you next one. Peace.